Hi, my name is Amit. I'm from Hebrew Farms, and today I'm here to talk to you about what is the starting process of doing pruning. So, whenever you have plants which is old of about 9 months or a years old, what are the steps that you have to do, and where is the first pruning process that should start upon a plant? So, I would be getting these questions from a lot of people in the market. So, to all of them, the first thing that we have to do is see, for an example, this is a mango tree. She is about 1 years old. So here we just want her to grow big first. So there is one more plant which there is one more branch which has started growing from the bottom of her. So what we have to do is, the first thing is that we have to prune this bottom stem which has started growing. So that while pruning we have to cut it in an uh, conal shape, so that water the drop that falls on it will actually come down. If it is in the flat shape, okay, so the water that falls on it will form a fungus on the above thing, and it will actually spoil the entire tree. So we have to actually cut it in a slant shape, so that if water that falls on it will go down like this. So that's one of the way that you have to do, and that's how you will ensure your tree is growing big. So if not, here only the tree becomes with so many branches, and the tree will never become a big tree. So the first thing that you have to do is chop down all the unwanted branches that is growing. Just leave the major stem which is growing to the top. Just leave that stem, and so that the tree grows bigger and faster. So here, and here there is one more example. If you look out on this tree, okay, you can see so many branches that has gone down. So here if you look out, this is actually an unwanted stem. So we have to cut, though it is grown very big, but still it is good to cut the entire stem. So now I can ensure that the tree grows big and better. And here also I have followed that ways of doing it. I have made it in a slant shape, so that if the water that falls on it, it will actually come down. And the best way to actually eradicate the fungus formation is to apply the limestone water on this, so that there will not be any kind of an what you tell, the fungus that could form on it. Or else you can use the gomutra mixed with the cow dung, and you can apply on it, so that reduces the fungal activities on the plant. So this is one of the ways to follow up. And here if you see for this plant also, even here there are this is not this is actually an unwanted thing. So even here we have to cut it in such a way. So now a tree grows good and better. We should it's fine to cut. It's actually always good to cut. You should never feel about cutting down your trees. The moment you cut there, the tree grows good and better. If not, the tree will never have a proper shape to grow. And yes, here, see, even here, this is actually an unwanted branch. We didn't focus earlier on this, so even this has started growing. If we just leave it, no, it will always trouble us in terms of the place that is required to grow. So we are cutting down this as well. So actually the only tree that grows is the single mother stem, and the rest all are been cut down. So she as a tree, she'll start growing good and better, so that there is no unwanted branches that is coming out at the bottom itself and spoiling her growth. So this is how you are supposed to do the pruning of a tree. And if you are having any doubts or questions on the same, you can actually call us on our contact number 9611 911 943 for more information about pruning of the plant, and slowly we'll also show you how to do the 13th leaf cutting and the better pruning of a tree and all, so that you'll get more ideas of how to do it, and how your tree could grow better and good. And thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe our channel so that you'll get more updates and more ideas of how to do the farming. Thank you.